Hey everybody, hopefully you guys are doing well today. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. Just getting my vlog started here, hanging out with my friend Keith a little bit today. We'll just bring you along for this vlog and we'll get what we can get. Not too sure what we're going to do yet, but we're just going to go with the flow and get you guys a vlog up. So if you can, leave me a like. If you're new here, please subscribe. It would mean so much to me. I definitely appreciate everybody, so we'll talk to you later. Hey everybody, Keith and I came over here to Mazio's. We're gonna see if they have the buffet. Hey everybody, just want to show you my plate here. I got a Diet Coke to drink. This is my first plate, and then I got some ranch to go with it. Talk to you later. God bless. Hey everybody, just wanted to show you my second plate here. I got some dessert stuff. We'll talk to you later. God bless. Hey everybody, probably my final plate here. Just got some more cheese sticks. Talk to you later. Hey everybody, Keith and I made it out here to Boiling Springs. Beautiful out here. Just a light, very light rain. Gonna take you guys in the trail quickly. Probably won't go too far, but just wanted to get you guys some footage here. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. Not only do I love coming out here, but when it's raining with all the trees and nature, yeah, I just can't beat it. I'm just loving this right now. So hope you guys enjoy this. I'll probably dove over some music along with the natural sounds here. Talk to you later. God bless. Hey everybody, just gonna head back out of the trail here. Hope you guys enjoyed that video of the trails here. Of course, like I said, I didn't talk any. I just wanted to keep the natural sounds and put a little bit of soft music over it. But yeah, this is just peaceful, beautiful. Thanks to God for allowing me to have this opportunity here to enjoy this. Yeah, probably one of my favorite things in life here. Just enjoying nature, and enjoying nature with some of my favorite weather. Pretty much top tier in my books, but everyone has their own personal preferences. I know Keith, he likes the rain, but probably not as much as I do. I just absolutely love it. So yeah, a little bit of rain. Checking out the trails here at Boiling Springs State Park. Yeah, this is just a blessed day, even though it's just very simple. Nothing fancy by any means, but yeah, it's just extremely blessed, and yeah, I'm very, very thankful and grateful. So we're about out of the trail here. We'll see what Keith is up to and see what he wants to do next here. But like I say, hope you guys enjoyed that video clips of the trail there. So we'll catch up with you here in a little bit, and we'll talk to you later. God bless. Well, Keith, it's absolutely beautiful out here.
It is.
The temperature, everything.
Yeah, it's just, like I said on my video, it just smells so fresh. And
Oh man, you can really smell the trees and the vegetation, everything.
the crispness of the air. Yeah, it's very nice out here.
Yeah, I'm definitely glad we came out here. I always enjoy coming out here, and I know Keith enjoys it to some extent. It's a beautiful park, it really is.
It is. It really is a good park.
But yeah, we'll try to get you as much video as we can out here and bring you along for it. Yeah, a lot of the trees out here have already lost a lot of their leaves. They actually lost a lot more than I thought they would by now, but I guess it is November. I went blank, so yeah, I guess it is November, so it's really looking like fall's in full swing here in northwest Oklahoma. But with how unpredictable the weather is, especially around here, you never know.
I thought maybe we'd see some deer.
We might see some deer. We'll definitely be on the lookout for it, so we'll keep you posted. Hey everybody, there's a couple people camping out here. Just wanted to get you that clip. Yeah, there's a couple campers, and they're set up for camp out here.
Yeah,
Hey, they're in a tent. They're really camping. Out camping in a camper is still camping, but
they're really roughing it.
yep, they're in their tent. Pretty cool. But yeah, there's that guy and that person in the tent. So we'll keep you posted here. Hey everybody, I came over here to this spot. The rain picked up a little bit, so I'll try to keep my phone as dry as possible. I should have probably just brought my GoPro, but unfortunately I wasn't thinking about it at the time before we decided to come out here. So we'll get you a video the best we can while I'm trying to keep my phone dry. So we'll see what we can get. Again, beautiful light rain. I'm just loving this here. It's not like a broken record, but it's just extremely blessed. It really is. Under here is dry for the most part. I'm gonna zoom the camera out a little bit more. There we go. Yeah, like I said, I think my phone's gonna get a little wet, but I think it's worth it to get a good video clips for you guys. You guys mean the world to me, and I definitely appreciate all the support. You guys don't know how much it means to me. I never expected my YouTube to do what it's doing now. To have well over 1,500 subscribers just blows me away. I'm just so grateful and thankful. You guys don't even know. Yeah, all thanks to God, all thanks to you guys as well. It's just unreal. Just beyond blessed with this YouTube thing. It's really helped me kind of get my mind off of all the medical disabilities and unfortunate health issues that I'm dealing with. It's really helped me tremendously with getting my mind off a lot of the negativity that goes along with the health issues and disabilities, and I definitely appreciate all the support. I gotta wipe my camera off here. Got a little excuse me, fogged up. Oh yeah, we probably won't do this whole trail here either. We'll just get what we get and enjoy it to the best of our ability here. I wish you guys were here with me. It would be wonderful. Yeah, I didn't go very far into this trail at all. Unfortunately, my phone's starting to get really, really wet, so I decided to turn back around and head back towards the car where Keith is. But yeah, again, absolutely gorgeous. Pretty much unbeatable in my book. Probably sound like a broken record on this vlog, but you guys are getting truly authentic footage here. My thoughts and experiences today, and this is just what's coming to mind. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, it's about perfect in my books. Yeah, I just love this type of stuff here. It's just simple, but it means the most to my heart. So God bless you guys. Thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for all the support you guys show me. Yeah, it's humbling. It's truly humbling. It's almost, I can't even put it into words sometimes how unreal this YouTube thing is, that you guys support my channel and watch my videos. Yeah, just unreal stuff. So, well, oh, almost slipped. Gotta be careful here. I knew that wearing Crocs isn't the best idea, but they're the most washable shoe that I have, and it's always prone to slipping, so there's that. But yeah, heading back up here to the Buick where Keith is at. Hope you guys enjoyed the footage you got out here. I definitely tried my best to get you guys what I could. I definitely enjoyed myself, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching the footage of the nature. Like I said, I really should have brought my GoPro, but hey, it is what it is. We still got what we got, and we got you guys some hopefully enjoyable video footage. So we'll get up here to the Buick, dry off a little bit, and dry off my phone. Yeah, that was a really good time. I want to thank Keith for coming out here with me, and yeah, it was really, really enjoyable. Talk to you later. God bless.
I'm tired.
Hey everybody, just an update here. It's currently 6:03 p.m. in the evening, and it's already pretty much dark. Probably got a few minutes of light left. As you guys know, the fall back on the clocks was Sunday, and well, yesterday. But yeah, it's just unreal how quick it's getting dark out now. Hey everybody, just want to get you a quick update for dinner. Having Brahms bag of burgers and some fries. Hey everybody, just want to wrap up my vlog here. God bless you guys. Peace be with you.